Hey y'all, today we're going to be talking about bullet journaling and how I'm going to be doing bullet journaling in 2018. So a man named Ryder Carroll is the one that kind of invented bullet journaling, and he used it as a place to put his to-do list, a sketch diary, and stuff like that. So really kind of a simplified version. Well, if you ever start Googling it or looking on YouTube or looking on Instagram, you're going to be like, because these people that really get into bullet journaling, or bujo as we in the community call it, they really get into it, and then they start creating these mood mandalas, these intricate designs, and then they have these fantastic layouts, monthly layouts, weekly layouts, daily layouts, and they create these collections of things, and they have just all kinds of stuff, these sketches, these doodles there that are so cute that I'm just really not that artsy. I mean, I feel like I'm creative, but I just man, I'm like, wow, that looks really cool, but I couldn't do it. I'd have to trace it, to be honest with you. So I thought, well, I'm gonna use mine kind of like Lily Pebbles does, and use it as a space to compile all my ideas for my content, whether it be my Instagram content, my blog content, or my YouTube content. So that's kind of how I'm going to be using it, and a space to just gather all these notes together and in one spot, because it has an index in here, and I'll show you the inside in just a second. But the index is going to be my go-to resource. I'll just oh, okay, this is on this page, or my video ideas, I need to add some notes to that video idea, it's on this page, and then I can just flip to it really quickly. So that's what I'm going to use it for. So let me show you what's inside though. I thought I'd show you what I'm going to be using for my bullet journal for 2018. I've got a pencil so I can sketch out some of the pages. I've got a ruler to make straight lines, and I've got a Staedtler Triplus Fineliner 0.3mm pen. This came in a set. I think it came with 20 different colors, but of course I'm using gray because I love gray. And then this is my Leuchtturm 1917 A5 dotted journal. I got the regular one. I didn't get the one specifically for bullet journaling, because I'm not going to really use it the same way. I'm not necessarily going to use the little symbols that they use or anything like that. It's mostly for, as I mentioned earlier, just content planning and stuff like that. So it comes with this little elastic band to keep everything inside. It also comes with two little bookmarks. I'm not using them just yet, but the title page, I just put my name and lisa@ourgrayhouse.com. And if you want to send us any happy mail, it's P.O. Box 852864, Mesquite, Texas 75185. And then you flip over and you come to the index page. And this is where I'm going to be putting all the notes, the page numbers for the notes of the pages that I'm using. That doesn't make sense. All these pages are numbered, okay? So when I have something on a page, I'm gonna put it back here so that I can easily reference it. So far I just have 3 things, and I'm about to put something else in it, but I'll show you that in a second. So anyway, they give you a couple pages for that. And then this is my content calendar planner area. This looks just like Lily Pebbles, how she does it, because that's what I took it from. But I just have the month, and I have it all the way through December, and I didn't do anything fancy. I didn't do any type of calligraphy or doodles or anything like that, but I just mapped out the month so I can kind of see where my content's planning. Oh, look, bullet journal video going up on Sunday the 7th. So the top line is actually going to be for my blog, because the P stands for photos, text, and then scheduled. And then this is for the YouTube videos that I do. And this is film, edit, description box, thumbnail, and scheduled. So that's the steps I'm going to take for each one. And then when I do it, I'm just going to put a little dot or a little check mark or something like that to note to myself that, hey, you got that part done, or hey, you're still missing the thumbnail, or whatever the situation might be. So like I said, I did that all the way through December. And actually, let me show you. I made a mistake. I thought this was Tuesday, so I put W for Wednesday, but it's not. It's Thursday. T for Thursday, and then that should have been F for Friday. So I've already made a mistake in the journal. true me would like to just start fresh and buy another one, but that's silly and wasteful. So I'm just going with it. This is just a loose work in progress for me. My first ever time doing it, like I said earlier. So, you know, it is what it is. And then this is the next page, the next section. This is my favorites section, monthly favorites. And this is where I'm just going to jot down things that I've liked during the month, because I'd like to start filming a monthly favorites video. And so this way I can remember what I've talked about. Also, I can kind of see if I'm repeating myself and if I've already done it in a video. This way I'll kind of keep track of that kind of stuff. So that went through all the way through December. And now this is going to be my weight loss tracker page. And so I actually have the HP Sprocket printer. This is not sponsored by any means, and it prints out these cute little pictures, and it actually has a sticky back, so you can peel off the back and then attach them somewhere. So I've attached them in here, and I'm gonna do January, February, March, April, and then June, July, August, September, October, November, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Yes, I know the months of the year. So, and I'm just gonna put like my starting weight here, and I may or may not put anything else. I really don't know yet, but I'm just at least gonna put my weight so I can kind of track, and I'm gonna take a picture in front of the same wall each time so I can see if my face is changing at all. I didn't do a full body shot because nobody wants to see that. But anyway, I just thought it might be kind of cool to see if my face, you can reflect it in my face, if I'm getting any thinner in the face. I don't know. It's just something I thought I'd do. And then this next section is actually the planning for the bullet journal video. And as you can tell, I didn't try to be all cute with my notes. I was just jotting down some stuff like intro, my Bujo for 2018, what I'm using it for. Notice I'm using Bujo because like I'm trying to be trendy and stuff. And you know, just the notes that I was going to talk about. And then I don't have anything else, no other video notes, nothing else is in here. But at the end of the month, or maybe I'm going to do it, I don't know when I'm going to do it, possibly this week. I'm going to just section off a little area where another Sprocket, HP Sprocket photo would fit. And then I'm just going to write notes about the month from the memories that my husband and I have made, the places we've gone, the restaurants we've eaten at, and things like that. Just some highlights, just to kind of reflect back and use it kind of as a diary. And the picture I'll put here would just be one of the pictures that we took of each other, of ourselves when we were out and about or whatever. So that's the idea anyway. And I'm not necessarily trying to keep them together, because people, I think when they keep the thing together, they call it something. They call it like a, I forget what the collection. I'm not trying to make it a collection. I'm just trying to jot down and use this kind of as, you know, a visual diary as well. So, and I will go back and put that in the table of contents, the index. So that way I know where, oh, the January memories are here on page 25 or whatever page it ends up being. So that's how I'm going to use it. Like I said, I have plenty of room to put lots of notes, and I've got some other like folders, little notebooks, and I've got some other sticky notes that I need to compile and put in here. So I do have all my stuff in one place, and I'm not trying to be all cutesy with my stuff. I'm just trying to use this as really a working journal, working diary of the notes and the things that I want to plan for content for 2018. So that's my bullet journal. Thanks y'all so much for watching my video today. If you'd like to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button while you're over in that area, giving it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. And if you do bullet journaling, let me know. Leave a comment in the comments below, because that's where the comments go. And let me know. And leave a link to your Instagram or your YouTube if you do videos, because I'd love to watch it. It inspires me. And I hope you have an awesome day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.